Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on silent mode and how to turn it off in Realme 14 Pro. So, on the main screen we need to swipe from the very top edge down, and here we have this bell icon. So when we tap it once we have the vibrate mode, second time we have the silent mode, and when we tap it again we have again our ringing default mode. So ring is by the default, vibrate only is here, and silent mode is here also. We simply cycle through modes. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.